Caution, please.
Osteria Italiano.
I'm doing an Italian restaurant in Jamaica. This is the wildest thing I've ever done, but let's get it started. Let's get the day started. All right, guys, so we're at Buzo Osteria Italiano. Osteria. I can't even say it. We're at an Italian restaurant in Jamaica. We go check it out.
Already came this side already. So this is our pizza stand and this is our one drink. And we have our server is Michaela.
Hi, Michaela.
Hi, welcome to our brunch. Like here we have strawberry, mango. This is passion and pineapple.
Ooh, what's your favorite?
Well, I like the passion and the pineapple.
Can I try that one?
Sure.
Is there any liquor in it? Is there liquor in it?
Alright, so this is our
Hell yeah! And she made the straw. I love it here. I love it here.
Alright, so this is our welcome, our chill spot.
Okay.
Chill and our bar is right over there.
That's dope.
Alright, so this is where you enter.
Guys, this is top notch, guys.
So it's a self-serve.
Okay.
So you have to serve yourself and then you take a seat anywhere you want to sit.
Anywhere we want to sit?
Yeah.
The tour continues. I love it here, guys. Everyone is like, this is the most. Okay. Show me the tour. I want your tour. Like, give me the whole tour. This is the exclusive tour. What's your name?
My name is Monique.
And where are we at?
We are at Buzo, Jamaica.
Ooh. Yeah, outside with it. Getting the exclusive tour real quick.
So it's ham, it's crackers, it's cheese, and it's grapes. Alright?
Take me through it. Take me through it. I want to know everything.
They want restocking her. Alright, so I'll get them to restock it. These are just waters with flavor here, alright? That's fine.
Gotcha.
Alright?
Staff is top notch, guys. Cannot lie. It's crazy.
Alright, so we have pancakes here.
Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Come on. Guy is a legend.
Caution, please.
There down in Boston Jerk Center, and we're gonna check out the whole lot of food them. This place is a little bit different, so we're gonna check it out. Alright guys, it's my last few days in Jamaica. There's no way I was leaving without coming to Juici Beef. I'm not gonna try this patty. Like, kind of ridiculous. But now they're saying you can add callaloo to a patty. I'm excited to try this. Tasties the other day, and a lot of people argue with me and say Tasties is better. I even thought at one point, but you know, let's find out. It's been a while. That's just one bite. Bun on. Tasties weird. Guys, we made it to Devon House finally. I'm gonna let my daughter experience the ice cream. Which ice cream are you gonna get?
Chocolate.
You have to have grape nut.
Huh?
Grape nut. You gotta try something different.
What is grape nut?
Exactly. You gonna find out.
That isn't very eagle of you.
You're gonna find out. Come on. Let me give you guys a tour of Devon House.
What in ticking tarnation is grape nut? You don't hear that?
The crickets?
Huh?
That's crickets.
That's crickets.
Insect, yeah.
That sounds robotic.
And forward, you know, frog, the young one,
Oh.
they make that noise. They are not hurt.
So we're giving up surely. That is crazy. Jelly, try it. Big show.